The box may be a little rough, but it's definitely intact. And it's from out of the country. Oh, I wonder what it could be! Because PEZ coming from out of the country is always the coolest PEZ. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns. Really, any and everything down below. Now then. There's French writing on it. Oh, there it is. Do you see it? Whoa! Thing is huge! Take that, Marge Simpson! The reason I say that, I think Marge Simpson is the tallest PEZ dispenser. No, we're going to have to contrast, compare, and do a video on that. But this one here, whoa! It can't even fit in the whole screen! So, this is an advertisement for Metro News. And as you notice on the sides, it does not say PEZ. They are blank sides. It does have the candy pusher inside of there. It has a nice clear inner sleeve. And then the candy button is also clear. Very cool. So I saw an opportunity to grab this bootleg PEZ dispenser. And as far as bootleg PEZ dispensers go, they're really hard to obtain. So when you see them for sale, you should grab them. Look at this one. Yeah! A newspaper box. Huh. Yeah, newspaper is still a thing. Check them out. Very cool. News worth sharing. That's right. And PEZ worth sharing, even though it is bootleg. So until next time.